Hello! In the beginning, I'm designing a big eyes for this amigurumi is Inside from Inside Out 2, the movie. But we made a live on our channel in Spanish and the followers say that they are too big. Then I designed another eyes smaller than these ones and yes, it's better. But I have this pattern for the big eyes ready and then I want to share with you because maybe you can use in another project or maybe you can change the eyes for inside. It's up to you. We will start the first round using green colored charm. And on round 1 we will make a magic green with 2 chains on the beginning, 1 and 2, and after that 12 half double crochet. 1 half double crochet, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. After that, you can close the magic ring, but make sure that you put the safety eyes, 10mm safety eyes on the center before close completely. Put the safety eyes and close the magic ring. Now, using a wool needle, I will show you how to close this piece to make a perfect circle. Make sure that you have 12 stitches. Skip the first one. Forget the chain, okay? The chain was just 2 up. But keep the first half double crochet and in the next one, insert the hook. And you will insert the hook again on the last half double crochet on the top. It's like made another chains on the top of the half double crochet that you keep. Just that. And now you can secure using the thread that you have from the beginning, from the magic ring. Just secure. And cut the yarn. And we will put the secure for the eyes on the back. And that's it. And after that, we can continue making the round 2. On round 2, we will start using white colored yarn. And we will start taking the white loop, the white yarn, and we will make on this round 12 slip stitch. 1 slip stitch, just taking the back loop. You can secure this later. 2 and continue doing a slip stitch until finish this round. 11 and 12. Now put some mark. We will continue with round 3. And on round 3, taking just the back loop, we will repeat 6 times all round, 1 single crochet and 1 increase. One single crochet. At the same time, you can secure the thread that you leave on the beginning on this round. You can secure it at the same time. I prefer take both loop, the white and the green one. But if you want to take just the white loop, you can also do it like that, okay? 1 single crochet, and in the next point, taking the back loops, 1 increase. Then continue repeating exactly the same all round. We will finish this round with 18 stitches. On round 4, 2 single crochet, 1 and 2, and in the next point 1 increase. Continue repeating 2 single crochet and 1 increase all round 6 times in total, and we will finish this round with 24 stitches. On round 5, we will start with 1 single crochet. We will make 6 increase in total, but I want to move the increase. Then 1 single crochet, and in the next point 1 increase. Then we will repeat 5 times, 3 single crochet and 1 increase. 1, 2, and 3, and now 1 increase. Continue repeating the same 4 times more, 3 single crochet and 1 increase, okay? And after the 4 repetitions, 5 in total, we will make 2 single crochet more at the end. Then finish the 5 repetitions in total, and then 2 single crochet. 1 and 2, and we already finished this round with 30 stitches. Now from round 6 to 8, we will make 30 single crochet in each round. 1, 2, 3, and continue doing single crochet until finish this round, and exactly the same on rounds 7 and 8. On round 9, starting with 1 single crochet, and in the next point 1 decrease. After that, we will repeat 5 times in total, 3 single crochet and 1 decrease. 1, 2, 3, and now 1 decrease. Then repeat exactly the same 4 times more. And for the end, we will make 2 single crochet more. 1 and 2. We already finished this round with the 24 stitches. On round 10, we will repeat 2 single crochet and 1 decrease all round. 1, 2, and now 1 decrease. Repeat the same all round, and we will finish this round with 18 stitches. On round 11, we will start with 1 single crochet and then 1 decrease. We will continue repeating 1 single crochet and 1 decrease all round. We will finish with 12 stitches, and on round 12, 12 single crochet. 1, 2, and continue doing single crochet until finish this round. This is the last round. Then when you finish, cut the yarn, leaving enough yarn for close using a wool needle. We don't need the mark, and we need put the stuffing. Put enough stuffing, and I recommend that you make both eyes and later put the stuffing at the same time. Will be better, and they will be similar. After put the stuffing, you can close using a wool needle. Then pay close attention, and you can see how to close. Insert the wool needle, just taking the front loop. And just like that, you will take all the front loops that you have, 12 in total, and again the loops that where you start in the first one, then close, and that's it. You can secure, don't worry about this because we will put another piece on the back later. Just secure and hide a little, and that's it. Remember, we need 2 eyes many times for depend of your project. Then for this piece, we already know how to make a magic ring, we already know how to work in a spiral, and we already know how to make a basic rounds. Then, for that reason, I just show you the subtitles. You can follow the subtitles. And when you finish the round 11, for round 12, I will show you how to make the round 12 because you need make this the slip stitch, the 30 slip stitch on the front. Just stop the video and make 2 equal pieces. You need accommodate the piece before make the round 12. And after that, we can make the round 12. Just 30 slip stitch. On the front. 1, 2, 3, 4, and continue doing a slip stitch all around, and after that you can see how to close the piece using a wool needle. after that union, this will be the result. Remember, you can use these eyes for inside it, also for another project. It's up to you. I just want to share this pattern because I made it for inside it, but they are so big. I hope and you like this video, and if it's like that, please don't forget to leave me your like and your comments. I really appreciate it, and that support this wonderful project. And if you have any question, please ask me on the comment and I will answer you as soon as possible. And if you haven't subscribed yet on this channel, what are you waiting for? I invite you to do it and activate the bell, and you will receive notification every time that I upload a new video. Bye!